Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you another one of our installs, which is on one of our CarPlay Android Auto boxes, which basically works in conjunction with the existing screen in the car. We do have them for quite a lot of cars: BMWs, Audis, Porsches, Range Rovers, Land Rovers, Peugeots, Volkswagens, you name it, we've got it. So basically this is the system in the car today. It's on a 1 Series, which has got the MBT original menu. We do have them for the CIC and the Evo cars too. So obviously just please ensure you get the right box for the car. If you're unsure, give us a call or just check in the sale page where we're selling them, because there'll be a little bit of information in there in terms of how to determine what you've got. Okay, so you've basically got in front of you what you see. Now if there's a little bit of flashing going on with the screen, which I can see on my phone, it's not the screen actually flashing, it's actually the shutter speed on my phone, which is basically a little bit slow, and it's causing it to flash what I can see anyway. But as I say, hopefully when this video goes onto our channels, it doesn't show it, and it's only showing it on my phone at the moment. Okay, so it works with the steering wheel controls, which is the first thing I'll show you, which you'll have to forgive me, it's got our engineer's phone paired up with it, which is a bit of a what you call it, a bit of a rave head. So as you can hear this ridiculous music in the background. Now if that's your favourite types of tunes, well done, but I don't like it personally. Okay, so it's not touchscreen on this, by the way. So basically you're going to control it via the command paddle, which, as you can see me down here, which is a little twisty one there. So as you can see me going in between applications that are actually on the engineer's phone. You can see it's nice and swift, responsive, there's no lag on it whatsoever. And also you can obviously use your maps there. Now it does have Google Assist and also Siri support, depending on what your phone is, if it's an Apple phone or Android. So obviously the other side to this system is the CarPlay, which, let me just go back out to this 1 second. Just hold down the back button, go to there, and then it takes it back out to there. So as I say, it's got Apple CarPlay too, which is I haven't set up today because obviously it's the Android phone, which is the dominant force because it's our engineers. But as I say, it's CarPlay too. So if I want to go back out to the original aftermarket homepage, this is what you're going to see, which is a black screen with the option boxes here. So just to show you there, you've got, let's have a little look. So let's go for the first one, which is setup, which just takes into the back end settings here. Also you've got a camera option here, which is for the front DVR camera. Now it does support a aftermarket rear camera as well as the original camera of the car if it's got it, so you can add that to it. Exit will take you back out to the original MBT menu. You got a YouTube app there, which basically needs connection with Wi-Fi hotspots on your phone. I will be truthful with it, yeah, it's not that great, so obviously don't buy it just for YouTube. You've got a wireless and wired Android Auto connection there. So obviously, and you've got a wireless and wired Apple CarPlay connection too. You've also got a USB option there, so obviously you want to put movies or music on a pen drive, you can stick it in there. And just to show you, if we want to go back out to the original menu, I can either hold down the media button, or sorry, the menu button, or by the iDrive, or I can just press that one there and that'll just take you back to the original screen, which obviously you just control as you would normally do. So that's pretty much a summary on it. If you've got any questions, don't be scared, get in touch with us. It's what we're here for. We'll make sure we're quite responsible sellers down our neck of the woods. We hate to see products being wrong for your car, so we do quite a lot of diligence on your car if you buy blind from us. But always get in touch with us, to have a little chat with us, and we'll go through a free consultation with you, let you know the product's right for your car, and obviously hopefully see you after that. But yeah, you have a good day guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.